Good evening, ma'am. Criminology intern Jerome Cruna. Here's my reflection about patriotism and nationalism. When I reflect on my own sense of patriotism, I see gratitude, hope, and sense of duty. For me, it isn't just about pride in accomplishments of country or the symbols that represent. It's a values that underpin the society in which I live and collective pursuit of progress. I feel patriotic when I see acts of compassion, resilience, and unity in the face of challenges, whether it's neighbors helping each other in times of crisis, or people standing up for what they believe is right. These moments remind me that patriotism is as much about love for the people around me. It is for the ideals my country strives to embody. My patriotism also involves a critical lens. I find that loving one's country means wanting it to grow, to be fairer more. When I see flaws or injustice, my sense of duty compels me to speak, to listen, and to engage in whatever ways I can to push up for positive change. To me, this is a truer form of patriotism than blind loyalty. It is about holding ourselves and our leaders accountable in the service of the greater good. Ultimately, my patriotism is hopeful. It comes from believing in the potential of collective us and the power of working together despite our differences to build a better future. This hope drives my commitment to contribute, however small, or that's our vision. Nationalism. And reflecting on nationalism within myself is more challenging and nuanced than reflecting on patriotism. While patriotism involves love and commitment to the ideals and values of a country, nationalism often carries with it a focus on identity and pride in one's nation to a point that can become exclusive or divisive. In my own experience, I am wary of the line between healthy pride in one's culture, traditions, and history, and the kind of nationalism that leads to superiority and exclusion or hostility toward others. I feel natural pride in aspects of my national identity and what they represent a sense of belonging, shared history, and cultural heritage. However, I am conscious of how nationalism can veer into rigid boundaries that separate us from them in unhealthy ways. When I consider nationalism and myself, I acknowledge moments of pride when my country's values align with justice, progress, or compassion. But I also feel responsibility to question, reflect, and ensure that this pride does not overshadow our flaws or lead to a blindness to injustice, either at home or abroad. Ultimately, I strive to cultivate a form of national pride that builds bridges rather than walls, a pride that respects and fosters cooperation, humility, and mutual respect on global stage. This reflection is a reminder that any strong sense of identity must be tempered with empathy and openness to others' perspectives, ensuring that nationalism does not become a vehicle for division or self-aggrandizement. Thank you for